Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to all of you into my channel A to Z Therapy with Smriti. This is your host Smriti Sikta Mishra. I am an occupational therapy and clinical psychology student. So come, join me on my journey of becoming a therapist and let's learn together.
Yeah, am I visible to you, ma'am?
No, still not.
Yes, the camera isn't working.
Ah, okay. Let it be. I think we should not be wasting our time.
Is that going to be an issue?
Sorry?
Is that going to be an issue?
No, no, it's
Like, is that okay?
no. It's okay. That's absolutely fine.
Okay.
Okay, so
Okay.
a very warm welcome to you. So before starting, I
Thank
would
you
like
so much.
okay. So I would like to introduce you to our listeners. So hello guys, this is Miss Miru Sharma. She is an occupational therapist, graduated from Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay National Institute for Persons with Physical Disabilities. That's one of the premier institute our country has for bachelors of in occupational therapy, right? Okay. So hello, Miss Miru. So let's have a
Hi,
brief
ma'am.
introduction of you and your family background and all.
All right, ma'am. I am basically from Delhi.
Okay.
I live with my parents and my brother. I have an elder brother. I have done my schooling from Delhi only. It's in DAV Shalimar Bagh.
Okay.
My father is in a government job, and my mother is a teacher. She's a mathematical teacher.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So now the most important question: why did you choose OT? Was it an like accidental or it was like pre-planned? Because in India the
Okay.
awareness is so
Consider.
bad about it.
Yeah, yeah. Even I was not aware of it. Like, consider it accidental only. Like,
Okay.
I was preparing for MBBS.
Okay.
So then one day my father filled the application form for this institute. I
Hmm.
didn't know about it then. I didn't have much knowledge about it.
Hmm.
So I was not even involved with all this. Because, like, after 12th, we are just out. We are just coming in this world, right?
Hmm.
So we were just taken care by our parents.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
he filled all
Absolutely.
the forms, and then when we went for the exam, it the ranks came. But like initially we went for physiotherapy, but
That's fine.
when I was getting occupational therapy, then I had a known person.
Hmm.
I had one known person who has been passed out from my college only.
Hmm.
So we talked to her about the same.
Hmm.
What is occupational therapy and how can we proceed to it?
Ah, that's fine.
So she introduced me to what occupational therapy is. So she convinced me that it is a good course, right? And then I searched on Google about this. It was like I was interested in occupational therapy just because it is a very like holistic approach.
Hmm.
You provide therapy to the patients,
Hmm.
as well as we treat patients from the pediatrics to geriatrics. There is no
Yeah.
limitations for
Absolutely.
us,
Hmm.
right?
Hmm.
Plus there is this psychological part, the mental aspect also included in occupational therapy that interests me the most. I
Okay.
have a slight inclination towards mental health also,
Yeah, I
and
know
that
about
is
it.
when I right. So I was then it was decided that okay, I'll go for occupational therapy. Even I gave an application for upgradation to physiotherapy. Then I cancelled it by myself. That we'll
Oh
do it.
my God. Wow. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Okay, so now since you have been like, I think you have completed your internship, now you must be working
Yes.
somewhere.
Yes.
So what's the satisfaction level like? Because that's what we, strive for.
Right. Like, if I talk about working, I have done my postings from the college and the outside government hospitals in Delhi. I
Hmm.
am not working right now because I'm looking for masters. Right.
Acha.
Uh, Actually, when our internship ended, the lockdown happened, and that's when all the opportunities got closed.
Oh, that's
Right.
really
So
okay.
right. So I'm not working right now. I'm going to pursue my post graduation now. But
Okay.
jitna I have worked in my internship in my third year, in my fourth year,
Mm-hmm.
it is a like that one smile that the on a patient's face that brings a satisfaction.
Yeah,
Like if I
absolutely.
am putting in efforts, then that smile and that satisfaction for them is next level.
Yeah.
It cannot be compared.
Okay. Okay, great. So now I would just like to know about the curriculum. As I was just researching about it, and I got to know that the first 2 years are not so clinical, but the third and fourth year are quite
Yeah,
clinical with the postings and all.
right.
So what's the
Yes, yes.
difference and how's the experience of being a non-clinical and then getting into the clinicals?
Look, what we learn is from clinicals, right?
Hmm.
Uh, Bookish language or bookish things anyone can study.
Hmm. Hmm.
It depends upon you, right?
Hmm. Hmm.
It is the base that we create,
Hmm.
but us time pe we do not understand it specifically. We just learn it, we just try to remember it, we do
Hmm.
not understand it. But
Hmm.
when
Hmm.
we get into clinicals, then when we apply, then it gets fixed into our brains, and that is when like you start to understand things, that
Okay.
what is a muscle tone, how can we use it, how can we assess a patient, how can we
Hmm.
evaluate a patient,
Hmm.
like how can we provide therapy in different ways.
Hmm.
So that is like a major difference.
Hmm.
Initially it is a bit challenging, but
Okay.
then it is fun.
Okay. So, how was the difficulty level like with passing days and years? Was it difficult? Was it
Talking about
easy?
difficulty, no, it depends upon person to person. If you are doing fine, if you're doing fine in your clinicals, then you won't find it difficult
Okay.
to go through, right? If you understand things, if you have your basics clear, then it is not difficult to go through. Yeah, the basic
Okay.
knowledge is like if you are going to read about your diseases or
Mm-hmm.
any conditions,
Hmm.
you're going to understand that. But when you reach out to a patient, when you look after a patient with the same disease, then you understand better, and
Hmm.
that actually helps to pass through it. It actually helps for us to write in the exams because we have experienced it, we know about it,
Hmm.
so that actually helps.
Okay.
So that is okay. Like it is fine, not difficult.
Okay.
But
So,
that
okay.
again depends from person to person.
Mm-hmm. Absolutely. Okay. So, you have worked in like major hospitals of Delhi, be it GB Pant or Kalavati.
Right,
So, how was the
right.
experience of working like
It's
1 month, two
great.
months? How was it?
It's great.
You can describe it. We have time, I guess.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Like, see, working in a government hospital in a government setup is a next level experience. You're getting
Okay.
variety of patients that you won't
Hmm.
get in a private setup, right?
Hmm.
It makes a difference.
Hmm.
You are getting patients who are below poverty line or lower class, right?
Hmm. Hmm.
So they are there to seek help. And
Hmm.
when you can do something for them, it feels great. We have seen hundreds of patients in a day, and we
Okay.
have been to ward duties also. We have
Hmm.
been to private ward duties also.
Hmm.
And when the patient follows your therapy intervention
Hmm.
and it brings a change to their conditions, it feels great. It actually feels great. So, like working in a government setup with these major hospitals has been a great experience for me. I have got to learn so much from them. It has been great.
Okay. So, if you could just share some special memories of maybe any patient or some incident from the 6 month internship period.
Uh, yeah, right. I have been to GB Pant, and there was this lady that came. It was just a normal cervical, all right.
Okay. Okay.
And I told her the exercises. She was an old lady,
Hmm.
so at the end I asked her, "You'll do it, right?"
Hmm.
So then she was like, "Yes, beta, I'll do it," and she was very like full confidence में.
Okay.
So and after that, while leaving, वो मेरे को आशीर्वाद देके गए, and
Oh,
that
beautiful.
actually like right, and
Yeah,
that
that
actually
feeling.
put a smile on my face,
Uh,
and I just cannot forget that moment.
mm.
And then
That's
again
yeah,
the
yeah,
bonding
yeah.
with the teachers,
Huh.
it actually creates a very nice experience. I have been to Solon also. It
Yeah,
was
we
an
will talk about it later.
amazing
I think that would
experience.
be a very interesting part. Even I'm looking forward. Okay, so that's a suspense we'll be keeping for the last. Okay, so
Okay,
now the mentors and faculty at IPH. I mean, IPH is one of the premier institute for whether it be
right,
BPT or BPO or BOT. So, yeah,
right,
we
right.
have NITAR as a major college, but
Yeah.
faculties and mentors at IPH. How was that?
They're great and they're like very helpful to go through. Like, you can gain a lot of knowledge if you want to from them.
Okay.
So they are like always very helpful. at every point of time. When you reach out to them, if you're talking to them, if
Hmm.
you want to learn from them, then it is very helpful. Well,
Okay.
nobody is going to push you aside that no, we are not going to do it for you and we are not going to help you out.
Yeah, yeah,
Like,
that's what, teachers
and
are for.
then another thing is like they are like very friendly, so
Okay.
that again creates a very like important bond between the patient,
Mm-hmm.
teachers as well as
Huh.
the students.
Yeah. So,
Hmm.
if you can name your favorite faculty or teacher or anyone.
Okay, I cannot name one, but yeah, everyone has
That's
been,
difficult.
everyone has been right. Everyone has been
Mm-hmm.
helpful in one way or the other.
Hmm.
So you cannot, just cannot take a name. Everyone
Okay.
has been there for us.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, wonderful. So, who is your inspiration? Like maybe in terms of whether it be in the field of physio or whether it be in the field of occupational therapy, at national and international level. I mean, anyone whom you look up
Okay,
to.
I have. Yeah, I have seen my teachers and doctors at GB Pant, and they have been like major inspiration for me.
Okay.
Like, if I want to do something, if I want to imagine something, myself doing something, then
Hmm.
I just imagine myself at their level. If
Hmm.
they have reached this place and
Hmm.
they are doing so well in this, that I want to do something like that. And that is
Wonderful.
where I see myself.
Okay. So, coming to your dreams and aspirations about this field, like, this is, I personally feel that this is something which can be grown in the near future. And so,
Yes,
what's your take on
definitely.
that? Your dreams, aspirations?
Definitely, it needs to be taken up. Like it is a very like as I have been getting involved in this occupation, I have learned about how important it is in our life. Matlab,
Hmm.
people do not
Yeah,
know about
people
it
do not
much,
know
right?
exactly.
But
Indian
it is like
society is just so
right.
not aware.
Exactly. Like if
Hmm.
you go to a hospital, so people, if you say that we have to go to the occupational therapy department, they won't know. They will tell you
Hmm.
where's the physiotherapy department.
Yeah,
It is like
this
very
conflict
common.
about physio and occupational is epic, I guess.
Right. If,
Hmm.
even I have seen my relatives
Hmm.
telling other people that I'm doing physiotherapy, and then I stop them. No,
Yeah,
I'm
yeah,
not doing physiotherapy. I'm doing occupational therapy. They
yeah.
took a lot of
Identity
time to remember
crisis.
the name.
Yeah.
Right.
Oh God.
So that is where the point comes. Like it has to be grown.
Hmm.
We have got to do something. Like it is growing in the recent times, and
Hmm.
I believe that it will grow.
Hmm.
So that main point is creating awareness
Hmm.
about in the general public that what an
Hmm.
occupational therapist can do,
Hmm.
what we can do, what we can
Hmm.
provide them with. It is not only physiotherapy that is going to change their lives, it is
Hmm.
occupational therapy also, and it is a major aspect of their lives.
Hmm.
So that point needs to become up.
Okay. So, what are you looking up to for your specialization, or any like foreign institute or
Right.
anything like that?
No, no, I have been selected in Nirtar.
Okay, wonderful. Congratulations.
Thank you so much. And
Okay.
I have been selected in IP also.
Okay.
I have got fifth rank in both.
Okay.
So
Wonderful.
I'm looking forward to do neuro rehabilitation.
Mm-hmm.
So wherever I get it, I'll go for it.
Okay, wonderful. Okay, so now coming to the most special part, the Solan internship
Yeah.
at IMD. For the knowledge of our viewers, I would like to just mention that IAMD, that is Indian Association of Muscular Dystrophy, that's an organization I think started in 1992, if I'm not wrong, I guess.
Yes. Yes.
So if you can just say something about muscular dystrophy and how it is treated and to what extent actually it can be treated. I know that it can't be treated like completely,
Like it.
but that's
Yeah.
a very, I think, that must be painful to be immobilized for the whole
Right.
life. So if you could say something about it.
Yes, I have seen. Like, okay, muscular dystrophy is another like autoimmune disease. It
Hmm.
has nothing to do with the hereditary problems,
Hmm.
and it is like generally related with the muscular problems. Okay,
Okay.
and it starts from your lower limbs, and then it moves up to your upper limb, and then to the upper body,
Hmm.
and at the end it affects your respiratory muscles. It
Okay.
actually affects only the muscles, right?
Hmm. Hmm.
And due to the non-usage of the muscles and affecting of the muscles as well as
Hmm.
the weakness of the muscles, it creates various problems for the patients, right?
Hmm.
As I have seen one muscular dystrophy patient in IMD only.
Hmm.
I have been visiting to their homes because the child was 13 years old and he could not even sit from a lying position by himself.
Oh.
That was a major problem. And we know, like, I don't know if their parents knew it or not, but we know that at some point of time he's not going to survive. Okay, after some
That's
point
it.
of time, it is going to affect the respiratory muscles.
Hmm.
Since it is a progressive disease, obviously we cannot cure it. There is no cure. We can just provide the treatment
Hmm.
to make them functional till they are alive. So
Acha.
that is a bit hard,
Hmm.
but it was great learning like about them. It was great working with that child. He was like so sweet and such a sweet boy.
Hmm.
He always had a smile on his face,
Beautiful.
and we just could not. And like thinking about him while leaving from there, it made us cry.
Hmm. That's the, I think, bond between a, therapist, or whether it be a doctor and the patients. I think,
Right,
yeah. Okay, so how is Solan? It's a beautiful place, I know. I mean, going from Delhi to
right, right.
Solan, so how was it? And if you could just, describe the whole
Okay.
internship and where did you go, the house visits. You told me about that. So
Yeah,
just.
yeah. Okay, going to Solan at like initially like we were very excited because we were going with our friends. Like I
Mm-hmm.
was going out for the very first time without my parents.
Mm-hmm.
So like I was very excited initially, but
Mm-hmm.
there have been a little bit conflicts between our group before
Oh,
going.
okay.
So I was like very frustrated by them. I was like, "हम जाएंगे और हमारी लड़ाई हो गया," and I didn't want that.
Hmm. Yeah.
So when I was leaving, I was a bit scared. I was a bit frustrated,
Hmm.
as I have not left home before.
Hmm.
So I was a bit scared at that
Okay.
point of time. But it
Okay.
has been a beautiful journey with my friends, and I love mountains. So it has been
Okay. Beautiful.
you know, apple pie
Hmm.
to my eyes. Consider it that.
Okay. Okay.
Like
So.
after reaching there, it was nice. Our house
Hmm.
was very pretty.
Hmm.
It was very beautiful, and we had a very
Hmm.
nice view from them.
Okay.
And next day we went to the hospital, IEMD.
Hmm.
It was on the hilltop,
Okay.
okay,
Okay.
and it had a very beautiful view from there.
Hmm. That's
There were
like all
all window
totally a
glasses,
different
and it has a
experience.
very beautiful view.
Hmm.
Totally, like working there is heavenly,
Like heaven.
right?
Uh-huh. I
So
get,
when
okay.
right.
Hmm.
So,
Okay.
like
So.
when we were told that we have to visit patients,
Hmm.
home visits, we had to give
Hmm.
home
Hmm.
visits.
Hmm.
So we used to like wake up early, then go to the bus stop, go
Hmm.
to the patient's house.
Hmm.
Because we used to go till 8 o'clock to one
Hmm.
patient's house
Hmm.
because he had to go to school after 9.
Okay.
So
Okay.
first day like we were very tired because we didn't
Hmm.
have any experience कि हमें पहाड़ चढ़ने की तो आदत बिल्कुल नहीं है.
Exactly. ये planes ने सब खराब कर रखा है.
True, it's true.
Hmm.
So it was a very nice experience. In no time, like we were so actually our home
Hmm.
and the mall, our home exited to the mall road, and the mall road
Okay.
was 140 stairs from there. So we had to climb up 140 stairs after coming back.
Oh God.
So
That's much.
it was like it was very difficult initially, but
Mm-hmm.
after some time, like we got used to it. So we
Hmm.
used to run there.
Okay.
We used to
And
run for
okay.
our buses there. Like we did not have any like specific breakfast and all.
Hmm. Hmm.
So me and my friend used to go together. I used to put jam on the breads and we used to take it in our hands and rush to the buses. हम भागते
Okay.
भागते खा रहे होते थे उसको.
Hmm.
It had been a wonderful experience.
Okay.
And there was another patient, and their family was like very nice. They treated us like their child.
Yeah.
They provided us with they used to give us food daily because auntie used to say
Wonderful.
कि बेटा तुम घर से दूर हो एटलीस्ट एक बार तो घर का खाना मिलेगा.
Hmm. Hmm.
So they used to provide us food daily, and
Hmm.
that girl, she could not speak, but
Okay.
she used to use her voice just by trying to say something, or by actions, or by eye contacts. She used
Hmm.
to do stuff, right?
Hmm.
So she could not allow us to go without eating food.
Oh, wow. Wonderful.
Those were, yeah, so those were some very special memories that we made there.
ओके हाँ वैसे कहा भी जाता है ना कि पहाड़ी लोगों का दिल बहुत साफ होता है
बहुत है.
हाँ
Right, right. And I have
दैट्स अ
seen it there.
वंडरफुल वंडरफुल ओके सो सिंस अभी आप निटार को आई मीन आपने एग्जाम्स दिया है यू मस्ट बी नोइंग अ लॉट अबाउट इट तो इफ यू कुड जस्ट गिव अस an idea or a sort of comparison between IPS, निटार और जो हमारे कंट्री के अलग अलग शहरों में whether it be कोलकाता और उसमें जो कॉलेजेस हैं फॉर बीपीटी बीओटी एंड बीपीओ अगर आप उसके बारे में कुछ बता सकें हमें तो
I believe that there are very few institutes that are providing occupational therapy courses, and I believe that there should be more of it. Like
more of it yeah
we are not getting enough opportunities to go look forward to do our masters.
hmm.
Like I had only two options. My father did not allow me to fill in Jamia Hamdard,
Okay.
so I was left with only two options. Like I was left with either Nirtar or IP.
Hmm.
So what if I couldn't have made it? Then what?
Hmm.
So that is a very restricted choice that we are getting in occupational therapy, and I believe that it should be brought up by many more institutes so that it provides an opportunity for the students, right?
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
I think that today the students think that it is just only a degree. It has nothing to do with experience, and there's no learning in it. So
Hmm.
many people even opt for the correspondence part,
Hmm.
right?
Hmm.
But I believe that if it is going to be taken up more by our country and by our institutions,
Hmm.
I guess it will create an interest in the students as well.
Hmm. Hmm.
They will be serious about their profession, and
Yeah.
it is not only the students that have to work, it is also the people and the government that has to work towards it.
Yeah, absolutely. I think
Like I cannot compare IPH and Nirtar right now. I have never been to Nirtar before. I've
okay.
just heard about it.
Okay. So I just thought
Yeah.
maybe you would have some contacts or something. So if you could just
No, not
say
yet.
something
Not
about it.
yet.
Okay. 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 No
Yeah.
issues. Okay. So how do you look at the, I was seeing some videos in whether it be US or Australia or Canada, and I found I think there is a large difference between the service providing sector, whether it, in terms of occupational therapy, if we look at West and if we look at India. So how do you think that how could we just gap the uh, difference in the near future or anything like that?
Look, I believe that what we are doing right now in India is
Hmm.
like it is okay.
Hmm.
Like if we look outside our country, there is more documentation work out there,
Okay. As in
right?
documentation,
So
if you could just explain us.
there is more evaluation part. Like they need to document everything, okay,
Okay.
in a
Okay.
specific manner. Like
Hmm.
we do not do it here. We
Okay.
provide documentation, but not that much, that specific. Okay,
Okay.
there is a lot of documentation work rather than the therapy. Okay,
Acha. So you
so
feel
that
what's
makes
in
a difference.
okay. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So if you want to share anything, I think we are done with our talk. If you want to share anything from your side, you can for sure. And then I have a surprise for you.
Okay.
Okay.
Uh,
So,
it's just that occupational therapy is like one major
hmm,
thing that is being brought up in India.
hmm,
I believe that it should go up, and I believe that it is a wonderful subject to
hmm,
opt for. It
hmm.
is not less than anything else.
Okay.
So I would be glad if it makes a growth in the coming years
Okay.
in
So,
India. Like it
okay.
is very special.
Okay. So, would you like choose occupational therapy again if you are given another chance, maybe another life, being hypothetical?
Uh, Maybe yes.
Yes. Oh my God. Okay. So now the surprise.
I have always been wanted to do something in medical field. So if
Hmm, hmm,
not
hmm,
MBBS, MBBS is like very mainstream,
hmm,
right?
hmm, hmm,
You provide the treatment and
hmm,
all,
hmm.
but at the end of the day, the rehabilitation part is the most important. You have
Yeah,
provided the
exactly.
surgery, but then
Hmm,
what? Then what? Next what? You are
hmm.
bringing patients back to their lives. back to their normal lives after an injury, right? If not completely, then there might be a minimal improvement, some improvement, but that is going to bring a satisfaction to their life that they're not worthless, and that is more important. So I believe that it is a very beautiful thing.
Okay, so now I would like that our founder actually, Dr. Harprasad Mishra has sent you a message. I would just like to share it with you.
Okay.
Okay, so he's not here, but I'll be sharing his message.
Hi, Meeru. Had a great time with my team and Smriti, and I would like to maintain that thanks are the highest form of thought, and the gratitude is happiness doubled by wonder. Feeling gratitude and not expressing it is like wrapping a present and not giving it to the deserving one. So I want to express that no matter how small the steps, your actions will make a difference over the long run. Best wishes to you from the whole team of MH India. Being the founder of this organization, I want to thank from the audiences listening to you, and the whole audience and the team of MH is grateful to have you on our platform. Thank you very much again. Best wishes, Meeru.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Would you like to say something, ma'am?
I am like honored to do this for you. Like it feels great. It feels great. It was very nice. I was not expecting that, but it was very good. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Before I think ending the session, I would like to share some clips or some pictures that Miss Meru Sharma has sent to us. And they are beautiful experiences, whether it be in terms of internship or her, experience. So I would just be sharing it. Be with us for some more time, Miss Meru.
Okay.
Okay. Just reminiscing the years is beautiful. And thanks for these photographs, actually.
That's okay.
Okay. So I would just like to thank you from the whole team of MH, from myself, from our founder, Dr. Harprasad Mishra, and best wishes to you. And yeah, I guess it was great talking to you, actually. Thank you for the wonderful session.
So much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. You can leave the meeting now. Thank you so much.
Oh.
Okay.